just continuing on talking about point, and then we'll go on to divide, measure, stretch and polygon. Now with points, as we were saying in the last lesson, we can place points anywhere on the screen. One problem we have is that they're not real visible. Now I'm using the drafting and annotation ribbon, which actually gives us better access to these tools. And if we look on the Utilities tab, on the Home tab, the Utilities panel, we have a point style here. Now under point style you can actually change the size and the style of your point. So if we're going to use points, then it's good to change it to something you can actually see rather than a dot which gets hidden as soon as you put it onto a line. So that's fine. They won't plot. If you want to draw a line and you have OSNAP turned on, then it will lock onto that. It's called a node in OSNAP. So that's a very useful thing to use.